Hey guys, welcome to Abzi Tech, and today we are going to be unboxing the Samsung S21 Ultra 5G. Here I have with me the 256GB version, 12GB RAM. You might be wondering why the box is very thin. So, as all of you can guess, there's no charger in the box, which you will have a look at soon. So there's the box, nice and shiny. Not much to it. Alright, so let's get right into the box and see what we have in it for us. Okay, so there we go. Right at the top we've got the phone itself, which we will get to in a second. Then we have, let's say, a sticker with our serial number. And now we have an even tinier box on the inside. And that's it, nothing else. So this little box contains the SIM eject tool and some paperwork and a USB-C type cable. Unfortunately, no case this time. Alright, that is Phantom Black. Pretty nice. Got a nice glossy edge to it. And here are the massive camera modules with a laser autofocus this time. Let's hope it's good. Okay, so I'm gonna boot this up quickly. Just jump through it quick. The usual Samsung Galaxy logo, starting Android. Alright guys, so this is the S21 Ultra 5G. And if you guys would like to see an in-depth video of the whole UI of One UI 3, then please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.